guys, I'm out with the Axial on its first maiden voyage on the rocks. It's actually doing quite well, considering these boulders, well, I say boulders, these rocks are quite high. It's a bit of a turn on it there. Have a look at this spot. It's great. Especially if you had some, let's get the car around, shall we? Especially if you had a 10 scale rock crawler. See if we can find some challenging obstacles. I don't think it'll be too hard with a 124 scale, really. Oh, tumble wumble. Back you go. It's proving challenging, I think. Definitely need some weights on the front. I'm gonna sort that out. It's not racing one. Come on, baby. So what? I never thought I'd love a car this small, you know. The kind of people find it quite weird that these are quite fun, but get them in your back garden. You're building a track in your house. The weather's a bit crappy, should I say. These are absolutely perfect for the job. Let's see if I can try and get some crawling over here. Especially for the kids. These are great, you know. Nope. Is he gonna go? Is he gonna go? Right. I've been looking at the Axial Wraith. I think that's something I might get at the end of the month. I seem to have enjoy the crawling bug, you know. Also, backflipping and speed was the way forward, but I'll change my mind a little bit. Not just, see what I mean? Need some weights, but otherwise, that's a cheap fix, so. Nope. Not going. Let's pop them up here. Just see the size of this hill. It's quite a height. Let's see. Try to get some climbing. Chopped on some wire. Let's try to go over there. Find another spot. If anybody's thinking about getting one of these, I recommend. Got my daughter playing with this morning. We'll see. She quite enjoys it actually. Why wouldn't I do any donuts in the kitchen? Didn't quite get the fact. I keep trying to tell it it's a crawler, something designed for that. I think these things will be a lot more fun if you've got a track in the back garden. They're quite cheap to do, buy a bit of concrete, go to the local garden centre or whatever and buy some rough rocks and whatnot. It'll be fun. Don't forget guys, subscribe! That's more of a lot of what these YouTubers like to beg for subscriptions. I want to try to keep a hobby alive, you know. I just want more people to watch and more people to interact with, you know. So it's just part of the fun here. Speak to new people. Have a good lot of time. Anybody call my accent that's funny? I'm actually from South Africa. Anybody actually that bothered? But a good job, you know. Got some rock stuff here. I'm going to see if we can find a bit more of a control challenge. There's a nice little hill over there to roll with. Right, here we go. This is the good fun about it. You can build things like that and just see what happens. If anybody can see me now, I think I'm a lunatic playing with a small car. I go, he needs help. Gotta keep the hobby alive. Right. Let's try sticking away. And we're up. What? Little boulders over here. I won't try and make this video too long, but see if we can try and do challenges. As you can see over there, no bricks and debris, so yeah, all good. Challenge here. Play with all the suspension. Oh, nope. Let's try it. Focus. Let's go, baby. I must forgive my camera angles and stuff. I'm still learning. Well, I've been playing with RCs for over 20 years. I've only recently started recording it. So I gave up on it for a while, but I told the wife the other day, no way am I going to give up on this again. It's too much fun. It's a joy, innit? It's nice when you get kids involved, I think. I sound like an old man right now, but just to keep the hobby alive. Actually doing a better job than I thought I was going to do on this one. Tumble wumble. Good repeat. Right, I'm going to shut up. See that big hill there? Do you reckon we get to the top? That's more that 10 scale territory, that. I reckon even that would struggle. Nope. Oh. He's gone again. Let's see if we can try. There it is. Tell you what, I've got my passion for the RC. Oh, the crawler. Anybody, I'm sure a lot of people know RC Sparks. He's does good shit, man. Obviously he's taken a temporary break. I don't reckon he's actually retired. If you want a link of where you can get this from, and I found it for quite a good price actually in the UK, that is. Something like £10 more. I don't know what that is in dollars, but you know, I think what's exchange rate? I don't know. $15. try this monumental hill. Okay, we're going. Right, if I get to the top, I'll end this video, guys. Right, off we go. And I'm gonna fly. The size of it. What do we got there? Good job. Try to find a good route to get up there. Problem there, I think it's going to fall backwards, which I was going to see. That's the thing. I think I'm going to put some wheel. Well, my plan is I'm going to put some weights on inside the rims. You can buy them online. You can actually buy the hot racing ones, or you can buy the cheap ones from China. And then I'm going to put a front diff weight. So all 4 wheels with 9 gram weights, and then a front diff weight, I think. Do the trick. Right, guys, I'm going to end it there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and all the above. Thanks. Bye.